As you know that for maintaining balanced blood sugar, a savory breakfast is better than a sweet one. So here you have avocado, you have egg, and you will have it almost every day, and you have no ideas left what to cook with them. Come join me today because I have prepared you one amazing recipe. Come with me, let's cook together. Hello everybody, and thank you for joining me today. Today I have prepared one amazing breakfast for you. First, start by making the mixture for the avocado bread. Here I have amazing mashed avocado by Baltavo. Add avocado to a bowl, add pumpkin seed flour, cheese and egg yolk, and separate egg white to another container. It's needed for a fluffy texture. Pumpkin seed flour you can easily make at home by just grounding pumpkin seeds in a kitchen processor. Mix all the ingredients together very well, so there is no pieces and all it's combined very well. Start whipping the egg whites until they are peaked and form the strong texture. Add few drops of lime or lemon juice to the egg whites to help to maintain the fluffy texture. Egg whites are ready when you can place the container over your head without the egg whites falling out of it. Gently start mixing egg whites together with the other ingredients. Very gently so the egg whites are not falling apart. Now this mixture can be fried in any shape or pan, so today I will be frying them on a pancake pan. Spray some oil, and when pan is hot, place the mixture onto the pan and fry for a few minutes on both sides until golden brown and cooked inside and the cheese has melted. For the color to stay green, it is important to have a little bit more higher texture and less cooking. Also, if you would like to have more fluffier texture, you can add 1 spoon of baking powder. For next step, let's prepare the feta cream. For this you need feta cheese, half of lime juice and some chopped herbs like dill and parsley. With a whisk or a spoon, mix the feta very well for a creamy texture without any lumps in it. As I said, this is a high protein breakfast, so an extra fried egg is a must. So I will be frying 1 egg per portion and season it with a little bit of salt and pepper, and ready it is. Finally, for the plating, take some avocado bread and spread some feta cream on it. 2 mini breads are a perfect size for 1 portion. On the feta cream, add some fresh rucola, then shredded smoked chicken or rotisserie chicken, then add the fried egg, and another super flavor is Baltavo avocado mayo that adds perfect balance for this meal. This mayo is perfect on top of that egg, yummy. And 1 perfect high protein healthy breakfast, slider, mini burger, pancake, call it any way you want, is ready. Full of flavor, balanced nutritionally, full of protein and perfect size. You need to try this. This high protein breakfast that I have prepared for you today is combining all your favorite together. It has avocado, it has eggs, it has feta cheese and chicken. Combine all together with this amazing flavor, and high protein breakfast will keep you going for the whole day. Imagine this. In the morning you are just opening up your favorite can of kombucha and just sitting to start your day. And on the side you will have this amazing avocado, egg, chicken pancake burger. Thank you everybody for joining me today and watching my new video. If you like my content, then please subscribe, put a like and ring the bell. Bye!